Once again, welcome to my practical hands-on labs, and today I will walk you through how to visualize data using logarithmic scales. This hands-on session is part of the digital course, Data Analysis Using Excel. The dataset we're going to use, whenever it has data values that are normally on exponential, basically this is very, very large numbers. And if you have a smaller number amongst very, very large numbers, you might end up with plots you're not able to make sense of. Like, for instance, the data value 1, 2, 3, all of them are flattened. And when you look at the specific values for 1, is 29,250, and then the next one is 976, that is 9.76 to the power of 8 times 10 to the power of 8. The next one is 1.5 times 10 to the power of 13. So these are very, very huge numbers. No wonder you're getting a visual like this. So I'm going to show you how to sort of like use a logarithmic scale for the y-axis so that the graph you present makes a bit of sense. So from Excel sheet, if you can see, the values are 2.93 times 10 to the power of 4, which is relatively small compared to the others. This is 29,000. The other is 9.76 times 10 to the power of 8. Very huge numbers. So trying to plot this, you might end up with a graph like you can see. So having to change that to the logarithmic scale, you just select the y-axis, and then you come format axis. So when you come to format axis, when you scroll down, you'll see logarithmic scale and to the base of 10. When you click this, you can see that the values are now changed and shifted. So this the intervals are to the base of 10, and it makes actually a lot of sense out of this. You can actually try and interpret the values and make good sense out of them, depending on the values or the data set that you're trying to present. That will be it for today's hands-on practical labs. And in the next session, I will show you how to forecast future results. And for you to get automatic notifications, I ask you to subscribe to my channel, and you'll get notification whenever I upload any important hands-on practical session. Until next time, thank you for viewing. Goodbye.